Hello, little minions, it's me, Jefoo. Today, we are breaking down the Jefoo eyewear. Now, I actually go up Mount Rainier every single year. I am always on the glaciers, and I would not recommend these for snow. However, for 95% of my other activities, trail running, especially jogging, these are absolutely phenomenal sunglasses because you will see they stay put even when I'm headbanging, and they're full wraparound. I don't know if you can tell, but I can look all the way up there and I can look all the way down here and even my peripheral vision out here because there are no frames to get in the way down here. So if I'm mountain biking, I can look down and see my whole landscape, my whole field of vision in front of me. Now, these do come with all sorts of bells and whistles, a small little microfiber bag, as well as a microfiber cleaning cloth, along with a hard shell case that is ultralight that will slip right into your backpack, whether it's a backpack like this or a small little camelback, and they also fold down like so. And as mentioned before, they do actually have the little grippiness right here. So see that pink? That is the grippiness that allows this to stay gripped to you. Not too hard, it doesn't pull my hair or anything, but don't these look absolutely epic? So if you are an outdoor enthusiast, you're a jogger, mountain biker, these are the shades for you.